Can small business owners switch 401k providers mid-year? If you're unhappy with your 401k, should you wait 6 more months to fix it? Many employers fall in this boat because they assume they need to wait until the end of the year to make a change. But in many cases, that's simply not true. In fact, depending on your plan and circumstances, a mid-year 401k conversion may be possible. So, let's dive into what employers should know before making the switch. Why employers consider switching mid-year. There are plenty of reasons employers start exploring a new provider before year-end. Maybe fees have become a concern, or service levels aren't meeting expectations. Or maybe your business has grown and you need better plan flexibility or more features. Whatever the reasons are, continuing to absorb fees and putting up with frustrating issues and complexities may mean delaying meaningful improvements that could benefit everyone involved. So, if your current plan isn't serving you and your team well now, don't think you have to follow some convenient timeline. Make the right move for you now. Is it actually allowed? The short answer is yes. Many employers can switch providers during the year. A 401k conversion doesn't necessarily require a new plan year to begin. Instead, the process typically involves transferring plan records, participant data, assets, and administrative responsibilities from one provider to another. That said, every plan is different, so be sure to review your plan and considerations between your current and new potential provider before making the move so you can get set up smoothly. What should employers consider? While a mid-year conversion is often possible, planning for it is the most important part. This means employers should be thinking about things like payroll integration, participant communications, compliance requirements, and any temporary blackout periods that may occur with the conversion process. Thankfully, an experienced provider will come in clutch here. They can help ensure these details are coordinated properly. What is the conversion process like? This leads us into our next concern. Will the conversion process be disruptive? With an experienced provider, the answer is no. A well-managed conversion will typically involve transferring plan data, updating payroll integrations, coordinating investments when needed, and communicating change to participants without burdening employers with too much heavy lifting. While timelines vary, the process is often more streamlined than employers anticipate, and your new provider should tell you upfront what to expect before you even start the transition, so your organization can be set up for success. Taking action sooner rather than later is key when dealing with finances, and it applies just the same with 401k conversions and switching plan providers. Making the right transitional changes now can make significant improvements on any issues you may have, whether it's with cost or customer service, and give you the plan value you actually expect. At Ubiquity, we help employers evaluate their options upfront and guide them through every step of the conversion process, helping them make the transition as smooth as possible. Ready to get the help you need? Visit myubiquity.com today.